Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making cheddar broccoli chicken soup using just a few ingredients from Aldi. Let's check it out. So here we have the grilled chicken breast, grilled and diced. I have cheddar broccoli soup mix, garlic salt, broccoli florets, and water. Okay, so I put some chicken in like that and I'm saving some. I'm going to put it in the freezer. I used an entire bag of broccoli and I have a little bit extra I'm going to put in. That should be a good amount of broccoli. I'm throwing these bags away. Okay, I divided the soup mix between the two. Now I'm going to fill it close to the top with water. So I just filled it up with water to here. Now I'm going to stir it. I'm setting it to high. I'm also setting it to high. Last but not least, I'm going to put in some garlic salt, just for a little bit extra flavor. I'm going to mix that in. I have this on high because I'm going to be nearby watching it, and when it starts to boil, I'm going to turn it down to medium. Okay, I just stirred it. It's barely starting to bubble. I don't want it to bubble over, so I'm going to turn it down almost to medium, you know, one notch above medium basically. And we're going to let that cook. Okay, now it's starting to really bubble up, so I'm going to turn it down to medium. I really don't want it to bubble over. I'm turning it to medium. I'm going to give it a stir. Oh, and I'm going to turn it off. It looks like it's done.